Hi friends, let me show you this sports radar mount that I received for reviewing purposes. Let me tell you that it is really practical. It's small. It can open up to, it can hold any device from 2 to 4.3 inches wide. They will open and you can change the direction like this. So if you need to mount it somewhere like this and the accessory has to be in this direction, you can do it. It is aimed for sports radars, like for baseball, but you can mount basically anything that you want and that fits the 4.3 inches, like your phone to film whatever you're doing. You can put an external battery here to charge your phone while you are using it. So, well, any activity, any requirement that you have to mount something up to 4.3 inches, it will be very useful, this mount. If you are a coach, if you like to take a note of the speed of the ball, if you like to put your phone to film whatever is happening in the field, this mount can be really useful. You can mount it in the fence, everywhere where you can get any place from 2 to 4.3 inches. Okay, so if you need something like this is a great option. Thank you. You can use this holder in any kind of fence like this to use your phone to film, to play back something. And of course, you can change it in this orientation, or you can also use it like this to hold your battery with your phone while you are watching something or working or whatever. This is a great way to help you grab both things. Perfect.